Hello, my dear valued viewers. This is Vishalakshi Rajapantula, and you're watching 1111 Make Money YouTube channel, which is for stock market day trading. This is the video about mastering the day trading by solving three main pain points. Pain point meaning these are things that the traders are facing nowadays, and I have done some research on this and came to the conclusion that these are the top three pain points that are affecting most of the day traders. Let's get into the video and explore what is in this video. Now, the three pain points faced by the day traders. Before going into this concept, I want to explain the chart here because this is the chart I'm giving you examples throughout the presentation. Now, see here, if you are new to the concept of CPR pivot points, CPR is the central pivot range with three lines consisting something like this. Okay, this is the range where you can enter the market for the fair price. Whenever you are using a system, you have to ask why I am using this system. Why I am using the CPR pivot point system is it is having predefined entry exit stop loss points. No system is having predefined entry exit stop loss points. With this predefined exit and entry points, you can have some more transparency in the system. Okay, now see, let's get into this deeper. And these are the three lines, which is the central pivot range. This is the system which is having some good entry points, exit points, and the targets. And if you enter it, if you consider the CPR here, CPR is something like when you are and when you want to take some index or stocks price to buy some stocks price, you have to wait to at a location. Why? Because I will give you an example. When you want to buy an iPhone, what you do, you go to Amazon and check the prices over there. And if the near future there is a sale happening, going to happen in the Amazon, what we do, we have to take that iPhone in the cart and you wait for the deals to happen. Okay, this is likewise. Likewise, you have to wait at the CPR range. You want to take the trade at the CPR range because this is the fair value. The beauty of the elegance of the system lies here. When you stay at the CPR, in other words, staying at the fair price value. Okay, staying, you are buying the stock or the index at the fair price. And see here, this is the CPR three lines. These are the lines. This is the previous day high, and we are going to have some predefined lines to take the profits here. Now, I don't want to go deeper into this concept because this is a slightly bit different concept here. And see here, I want you to understand that CPR is a range where we are having some fair value to buy a price. That means you can buy here, you can short here according to the system. Now, what is happening here? See here. Never enter before the candle closes. First, listen to this example. You want to enter at the CPR, and the system suggests that you should not enter the first 5-minute candle before the close. What happens here is novice traders enters at the first 5-minute candle even though they learned about the system, and they enter before the close of this first minute candle. On this chart, it is a bullish candle. When you enter at this candle, there is no problem because this is a bullish candle by the time of close. Sometimes what happens here is the price opens here, goes till here and closes below the CPR. When this happens, the trader's psychological mindset will get hurt and they won't take the trade for the next time the price came to the CPR. Okay, this is the thing that is happening around the markets, and they entered without thinking, without proper knowledge, and they lost lots of money and then regret why they have entered there. This is the system. Listen to this carefully. you want to take the trade at some point, let the candle close above that area. Okay, then you are going to have some great edge here. That's why I have written here is CPR pivot point system has predefined entry exit stop loss points. And see here, never enter before the candle closes. Never enter the before first 5 minute candle closes. Sometimes it give you profits, but we are not here to gamble the markets. We are here to earn money as a professional trader. So the next one here is stay at your location patiently. Yes, you have to stay at the CPR. This is one of the strategy that is having in the CPR system. For example purpose, I have taken this one strategy only. Now stay at the location of the CPR itself. You want to take the trade. It depends on the trend, whether you are a buyer or a seller. It depends on the trend. Okay, if the trend is uptrend, we have to buy the call. If the trend is downtrend, we have to buy the put. Okay, now let's get into the video. And I want you to remember this example, because I'm going to come back to this example to make you understand what are the 3 pain points for the traders. Now, the 3 points faced by the day traders. Let's see what are the 3 pain points here. The first one here is the high emotional stress. Yes, when what happens with the new or novice traders here is they don't learn a system, and again then they just come to the markets, open a demat account, they just get the money into the markets by knowing just the how to buy and how to sell a stock or an index. This gives the traders high emotional stress. For that, what I am suggesting, not I am, the system suggesting here is, the first one here is have a trading plan. So, high emotional stress, this pain point, to get out of this pain point, you have to have a trading plan. Okay, without a trading plan, without analyzing the markets in the pre-market, don't come to the market. And you should have a trading plan. Now what is the trading plan here I am giving you? We have to enter at the CPR. This is the one of the strategy in the CPR system. You have to enter at the CPR. Conditions apply that the index is in uptrend, you enter above the CPR. If the trend is downtrend, you enter below the CPR. Okay, have the trading plan. Here the trading plan is you have to enter at the CPR. Now, this will reduce substantially your emotional stress. The second one is practice mindfulness. Okay, why I am saying the word mindfulness? Because when you are in the trade, you have to have a certain sort of mindset, and you have to stay calm whether until the trade completes. Why I am saying the practice mindfulness, because see here what I have told you in this example, we are planning to take the trade at the CPR because this is the fair price value we want to take. And when you take the price for the fair price, you are going to have some edge in the market. In real life also, when you are buying something for good value, you are going to get some satisfaction. The satisfaction in the markets here is more profits. Okay, this when you enter at the CPR and the trade success, you are ahead of the crowd which are in the market. Okay, now get back to the example. You want to take the trade at the CPR, and the first 5 minute candle is a big huge candle. One tip here is when you enter the markets with the CPR system, you have to put your stop loss below this line, below the bottom line. When you are expecting a bullish move, you have to put your stop losses below your CPR, bottom CPR. Okay, or your entry candle. In this case, I don't prefer to put your stop losses below the entry candle because this is a big candle, when you put the stop loss below this candle, this is going to be a big stop loss. So what we have to do here is, once you made a trading plan that I have to enter at the CPR, and the first 5 minute candle is a big bullish candle, and you can't take the trade due to the risk management factor. Okay, now you have to wait for the price to come at this location. Okay, you have to wait the price to come this location, and if you see this is the big red candle, you should not enter at the big red candles even though you wanted to take the price at the CPR. When you are taking the price at the CPR, what is your view? In this scenario, the view is the index or stock is going to move up like this. So what you should do? You have to wait to form a good bullish candle, something like this, something less like this green candle or this red one. Even though this is the red body, it is a bullish candle because the VIX is showing the bullishness here. And this here comes the mindfulness part. You have to practice mindfulness here, because what I have told you, to enter at this candle, you have to put your stop loss either below the bottom CPR or the entry candle low. Okay, whatever it may be, according to the context you can do it. I suggest in this scenario to place the stop loss below the entry candle. Why? Because this is a small stop loss, right? This is a small stop loss. Even though you put your stop loss below your entry candle, there is no problem. And considering that we don't know all these candles, I'm saying we don't know all these candles. Okay, we don't know anything about these candles. We are here at this point. After the close of this point, I am telling you, you can put the stop loss below the CPR or the entry candle. You can put below the entry candle because this is a fair value. At this point, you are having the index of the stock for a good fair value, good price. So when you put your stop loss below this candle, what happens here is there is a lot of consolidation happens here. This side by side candles without any momentum is called consolidation. When this consolidation happens, the concept of mindfulness comes here. When you are when you are feeling every price movement that is happening in the charts or in your profit and loss account, what happens here is there is a higher emotional stress within you. This emotional stress will affect you physically and mentally. So practice mindfulness here, that I enter the market at the right fair value. I put my stop loss according to the system, and I am waiting to take the profits at my target location. This is your mindset. It should be your mindset. Okay, whether it triggers your stop loss or it goes to your target, this is everything depends upon the market. What your work here is entry, stop loss putting, and the waiting for the target. This is your part. You should be very mindful in this part, and you are feeling every price movement at this candle. See, it came till your stop loss. Okay, it came till your stop loss, and you're getting emotional and you're getting panic that your stop losses triggers, and you're going to have some 5 or 6 points before the stop loss triggers and you exited the market. What happens here is it goes in your direction. Here also comes emotional stress. You have to eliminate the emotional stress from the trading, then only you will be able to make money out of the market. So what we have to do is practice meditation every day. You have to develop the lifestyle of the trader, because keeping calm in the market hours while you are in trade is very essential. Keep your mind with the mindfulness. Okay, you have to have some calm state of mind, peace of mind while you are in the trade. When you are having calm mind, you know that you have entered correctly, you have done everything according to the system, and you leave everything to the market. Whether it gives you profit or loss, everything that is under the hands of the market, because market is the almighty here. We can't, any single person can't control the market. Now, the solution here is practice mindfulness, practice some meditation every single day as a trader. Now, the third one is to reduce the high emotional stress. Develop plans for three different situations. In the again, I come back to this example because explaining the charts is so much effective, so much gives you so much impact to you also. So we have to have three different scenarios to reduce high emotional stress. For example, you need to have three different plans to act upon in the live market, because during the live market whatever we practice, most of the time our emotions get out of us. Okay, and then what, how to rectify this problem, how to rectify this sort of pain point here is you have to have three different plans, develop plans for three different situations. I'll explain what are the situations here is. For example, you are here at the fair play price to take the trade, expecting the market to go up. Okay, when you enter the market, what is the first scenario? First one is when you enter the market, there is a chance to move in your direction. This is first scenario. The second scenario is there is a chance to move below your entry point and triggers your stop loss. This is the second scenario. And the third scenario is something like this, the consolidation. When consolidation happens, what I have to, you should have a written plan with you. When the expected move has happened in my direction, what I have to do, like where I have to take the target, where I have to exit. The third one is when the position is taking moving against me, what I have to, you have to do, you have to place your stop loss right after you enter the trade. These are the three different things, plans you should have, because when you operate with the emotions, emotions always fail in the market. Only systems will be winning here. Emotions fail, systems win. Keep this in your mind or write it somewhere. Emotions fail, systems win. You should act upon your system, you should not act upon your emotions. These are the three different things. We should have three different plans. Like when the up move happens, what happens when the down move happens? Down move happens, keep your stop loss. So you keep yourself away from the detached away from the markets. If it goes against your position, the stop loss will take care of it. When it is up move, you have to exit at the target. The beautiful elegance of the CPR system is you are going to have exit, entry, exit and stop loss target areas. Exit at your predefined target. When consolidation happens, what you should do? Here, wait to reach either your target or the stop loss. When the consolidation happens, please wait to reach either target or the stop loss. When you follow this mind map, you're going to significantly reduce the high stress within you. Follow this mind map, or else just note down what are the things you have to do. Follow this mind map or take a screenshot here. Okay, now let's go to another one here, another pain point. We are discussing about three pain points faced by the day traders. The second one is time intensive. I know most of you don't know about what is time intensive. I will give you what is time intensive. Time intensive is something like tasks that require a significant amount of time and effort to complete or execute. Okay, trading is something that is very time intensive. There is a myth that trading is very easy. You have to have a demat account with some money within it. You can enter the market, pick money out of the market and just go and chill your day. No, nothing like that. Trading, day trading especially, requires a lot of significant amount of time and effort to execute your trades. Now, this is the thing that are facing. They don't have much time. They don't manage their time. For those traders, this is the answer. I'm going to give you the solution for the traders who is not having good amount of time. They are not giving good amount of time, and I'm going to show you what happens here. Prioritize trading schedule. Okay, that means you are into the markets. World's lucrative profession. This lucrative in the sense very attractive profession where you can work from home. You can just work with yourself only. You don't have any infrastructure. You don't have any um, people help, something like human help. You just having a Wi-Fi connection with a good laptop, you're going to act upon here. So what you should do is, when we are having such huge advantage in your side, what you should do, prioritize trading schedule. I will explain it further. That means you have to give that particular amount of time to the trading. That means you have to give at least, you have to sit at your desk at least at 8:30 a.m. to plan the trades, pre-market analysis, and you have to stay till the market closes at 3:30 p.m. Okay, prioritize trading schedule. Any other work that is disturbing your schedule, or any other thoughts that you are distracting yourself from the your schedule, just get rid of them. Okay, once you able to do this, you're going to have so much of time. You are sitting at your desk and thinking about some other issues in your family, or your side hustle or something like that, that is not going to work out. Prioritize your trading schedule, which is giving you so much of time to explore the world of the financial markets. Now the second one, the how to overcome the pain point of the time incentiveness, that is not having time to take the trades properly. The second one is here is take high probability trades. Okay. Now here comes the question, what are high probability trades? I can tell you, entering at the CPR in the uptrend is the high probability trade. Okay, likewise, there are so many different styles of high probability trades, and if you are in if you are able to place them, recognize them in the markets, is going to give an edge. So take high probability trades like entering at the CPR. The third one here is utilize trading platforms to identify potential opportunities. Why? Because we are not having much time to do the trading. We're having so many things over here. You have to do pre-market analysis. You have to learn some new concepts. You have to watch the charts. You have some other blah 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 something going on in your mind and home and professional life. Then what you have to do? Utilize the trading platforms. How to utilize the trading platforms to have some edge for you is, I will take you to my charts and I'll show you how to take the advantage here. For example, I'm using the CPR system here. I am interested to take the trade at the black line. Okay, I'm interested to take the trade at the black line. Since morning, I expect the market to come here, but the market is not coming here. What I do is I put an alert here. See, Bank Nifty crossing 45,923.95. What happens when the price comes here? I'm going to get an alert in my mobile phone that the price has came to your location. How to put this is, go to this tab, create alert, and you can create an alarm here. For whatever price you want to get the alarm, you can place that price and you can create it. Okay. This is how you use the trading platforms like TradingView. Okay, when you put this, you know that there is going to be an alert, and you give it to the market. Let the price come to my location. I won't do anything. See how erratically the price is coming here. So what I should do? I should complete this as soon as possible and wait to take the trade here. Just I'm joking. See, now let's get into the video here. I hope you understand how to get time intensive pain point out of the time incentiveness. And if you don't understand this, just watch this video one more time. Then you will be able to understand this, because this is so powerful system. This is the out of so much research I have done this video. Now the third pain point, suffering that is affecting the day traders, is high risk and losses. Yes, high risk and losses. When you see here, I'll show you one thing here. Where is there? I downloaded something for you. See, the loss making traders chart will not look like this. The profitable traders chart look like this. When they are winning, they win big amounts like this. When they are losing, they lose small amounts like this. For novice traders or unexperienced traders, this is opposite. They are losing so much of amount, that means they lost around 10,000, and they win just 3,000. Fear of losing the winning trades, they exit the market. Okay, so keep this also in your screenshot, so that you will know always your profit should run, and losses should cut. Profits run, losses cut. Profits run, losses cut. Now let's go to here. This is one thing you have to keep in your mind to avoid the pain point of high risk and losses. For that, I have three solutions here. Risk only predetermined percentage. Now let's see what is happening in my charts. Okay, it is taking support here, no problem. I can do the presentation for few more minutes. Now, risk only predetermined percentage. What is the predetermined percentage? In your trading plan, you have to have how much amount you can lose every single day. It comes with mere experience, but learn this and you will know in the future videos or by yourself what is the predetermined percentage. For example, for me, the predetermined percentage of loss every day is 20 points in Bank Nifty. When the price comes here, this is below 20 points, so I will enter the markets and put the price below this candle, because I know the stop loss points is below or slightly above 20 points. Okay, this is called predetermined loss. If that triggers in this example, if I enter here, and if due to theta decay, if it triggers, no problem, I will just stay out of the markets, because I have lost the predetermined amount in my trading plan. Okay, risk only predetermined percentage. For example, in loss value, I will tell you, for every lot I am interested to lose only 500 rupees. Okay, for 10 lots I'm losing only 5,000 rupees. Whenever I lost 5,000 rupees. Whenever I win minimum 10,000 rupees or 15,000 rupees. This is called predetermined percentage of profits or losses. This is the one solution to avoid high risk and losses. The second solution here is use stop loss orders. When you place the stop loss orders, what happens here is, when the market is against you, the stop loss will take care of everything. Okay, the stop loss will take care of everything. It goes in your opposite direction. Use stop loss orders to avoid high risks. Okay, and journal your trades. Especially you have to journal your losing trades, because all your profitable trades are inside the losing trades. You are making a small mistake. Once you learn the system, you know everything. You know how the market is moving. You are expecting the market to move up. Then it obeys your analysis. Most of the time it does. But what happens here is, you're making some minute, very, very minute mistakes, so that in that minute mistakes you're losing. Okay, so journal your losing trades, reason for the loss, what is the strategy you are entering in your journal, in your trading journal. If you want to know more about the trading journal, I can make a video for you. Please ask me in the comment section so that I can feel motivated to do that video. I hope I explained everything regarding high risk and losses. If you don't understand the concept, the three pain points, please go through the video again. Maybe there is a minute 1 minute point that could change your trading journey. Okay, this is done after a lot of research here. This is not like just saying everything blah 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 something like this. This is after lot of research and doing so much of back testing. I am doing this video. Giving this example is not so easy. Okay, now I must thank you for staying in this video for such a long time. And if you're staying till this point, I know that you like my sort of analysis and my way of teaching the skills. If you are interested to learn about day trading and you are new, very new to the markets, you want to do trading in options with Nifty and Bank Nifty, you can attend my free webinar, which is completely free for the newcomers, novices, and you can enter here and learn what is the blueprint of the strategy, which strategy you have to learn, what is the process of process to become consistently profitable trader. The webinar is regarding that. If you want to interested to attend the free webinar, you can mail me. I'm going to give my mail in the description section. If you like the content, please subscribe my channel, share this in your trading community and like the content. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart because you're watching, giving your time till now. Thank you.